On se revient après ces messages.
Hello everyone, my name is Darcy, and today I'm here to talk to you about our brand new feature for the beloved CRC Park. Now, we know that we've been under some controversy due to some claims of animal abuse and lack of feeding in our park. However, we have come up with a brand new solution to feeding our animals. This method involves funneling food from our fair trade and organic facility to our sorting system. And since we're a multi-million-dollar company and we have no problem throwing our money out the window, we decided to make this new system uselessly complicated. And we call it Flip. Our new system will have a dropper which puts bags of meat onto a conveyor belt. Now, these bags of meat will go in one of two bins. There's the compost bin and the meat bin. The two bins are situated on opposite sides of the conveyor belt, and the conveyor belt will conveniently switch directions, or as we call it, flip directions, every 30 seconds. Our new method also involves 4 robots, 2 compost bots, and 2 meat bots. And don't worry about them touching the meat bags. These robots will be on a platform which is right next to the conveyor belt. So yeah, the meat bags will never be hurt by the robots. Now the goal of the meat bots is to put the meat into the meat bin, while the goal of the compost robots is to put any bad or rotten meat into the compost bin. Then the 2 bins will be sent to different exhibits. The meat bin will be sent to the exhibits of the carnivores to be used for feeding, and the compost bin will be sent to the exhibits of the herbivores to be used as fertilizer for the plants. And here at our robotics lab, which is located on 4090 Royal Avenue inside Lower Canada College, we've been working hard on making our robots for this new system. Which is why, when the system is fully complete, we'll be using it to feed all of our animals, especially our dinosaurs.
Hey, Darcy, can I ask you a question?
Oh, hey, Ward, what's up?
Yeah, can I ask you if the system is even on? I mean, the dinosaurs haven't eaten in 5 days.
That's a good question. The answer is no, and don't worry, the system will be done soon, in probably about a month or something.
Oh, okay then. Did you hear that noise? What's that?
It was probably just some broken pipes.
It could be a dinosaur.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Man. Speaking of the system, one cool thing about it is that the conveyor belt's direction, speed, and the dropper's drop rate can all be changed. But how? How is this possible? Well, thanks to some complicated technology that's added onto the conveyor belt, the robots have many ways to do this. For example, there are some magical hinged squares that are added onto the platform, which allow the conveyor belt's direction to be changed every 30 seconds, but only once. Also, the dropper's drop rate is changed thanks to a ball and chain that's onto the field. Also, the conveyor belt's speed can be changed thanks to some speed-enhancing mushrooms. However, did I mention that all of these 3 things can also be decreased? On the field, there will be a special arc with a metal box on top of it. And if the robots are able to bring this metal box to the bottom of the arc, then they have the option to choose 3 different things. There's a special blackbird steak. They could decrease the drop rate of the dropper, or what they could do is that they could decrease the speed of the conveyor belt. And finally, we're also going to add a twister onto the board, where if it's turned to a specific direction, the conveyor belt will stop completely for 10 seconds. The robots for the flip system will be very special and very cool. They'll have a special metal frame on it, several motors, some very cool and unique wheels, as well as a very long arm that we use to activate most of the power-ups, such as
Darcy? Madeline, what are you doing here? There's a dinosaur coming down the hall!
Okay.
We have no...
Everyone, this is Mr. Olive, director of the Robotics Lab at CRC Park. Mr. Olive? Where'd he go? He's a very busy guy. What can I say? So come see our new features at CRC Park soon, or come to Lower Canada College right now to see this new system being built on progress. Whoa, almost tripped on my friend Nick. Wait, Nick? Oh no. So come on over on February 13th to see the flip system for the first time. Thanks for